engagement to a conferring classroom, why is it so important? You can learn the most important conferences, like compliment conferences, coaching conferences, research complement teach, and so much more. You can learn important conferences. You can learn small group types like strategy groups, guided reading. We can learn all these different types of small groups and have the best note-taking forms ready to go right by our side. But if we send our students back to independent reading time and they don't read or they're not engaged in reading, they will not make the progress that you're hoping for. So that is why reading engagement is so important to a conferring classroom. All right, so why is writing engagement so important to a conferring classroom? Well, I got some questions I'm going to ask you, okay? I really want you to be thinking about this. So when was the last time you sat down to write a long piece of writing? Maybe it was a letter to a dear friend, or a long email, or a cover letter for a new job that you're trying to pursue. Or maybe you're in a master's program or a doctoral program and you're writing that long paper, okay? Did you love it or did you hate it? The whole process of writing, okay? Was it hard for you to sit still and get the words on the page? Well, these are the types of things that can happen to some of our students. Some of our students might love writing and some of our students might hate it. Some of them might say it's hard to sit down and get the words on the page. So we definitely know how our students are feeling during independent writing time. All right. Another reason is to be successful at writing, it's going to take a huge amount of mental focus and discipline. You need energy to keep writing. You need to connect with your writing. You need to feel engaged with some part of it. And that's why building up that writing engagement is going to be so important in your conferring time.